What's going on, mother truckers? It's Alex here, the mother trucker himself. Everything here we talk about trucking, making money in trucking, the business of trucking, the finance of trucking, the investing in trucking. Should you be an owner operator, which in this market, I wouldn't consider it right now. That's just being honest, right? But if you're making a minimum wage, you don't know what to do, you like driving, and you're considering a life in trucking, hey, man, there's a lot of opportunities here, and it did change my life. So let's get into this. There is thousands of jobs on the line right now. We talked about this last month where the FMCSA was considering making the hair test a part of their clearinghouse. I'm saying a lot of words here. For the ones that are new to trucking, what I'm saying is, as of right now, you do not have to actually take a hair test to become a truck driver with the federal government. But it might be the company policy for you to take a hair test. So there's a lot of people that say, oh man, I work for Knight, Swift, Schneider, JB Hunt, Maverick, and they've all been testing us with this hair test for years. What are you talking about, Alex? Well, this is the big topic here. That is a company policy. Trucking Alliance that represents all these trucking companies that I just talked about, saying that when people are trying to apply to become a truck driver for Schneider, Swift, Knight, Maverick, JB Hunt, or what have you, when they fail their hair tests, there isn't actually a protocol to actually let the clearinghouse, which is the FMCSA, the federal government, know that they failed the hair test. As of right now, if they fail a urine test, then they can't. So they want the hair test to be a part of it. The people representing these people are called the Trucking Alliance, and their representative says, my clients have knowledge of hundreds of thousands of positive hair tests that they are not able to share under the current system, and those drivers are all out on the road right now. Rob Mosley says, an attorney representing the group. This exemption would give motor carriers making inquiries into the clearinghouse the opportunity to have full knowledge of people that pretty much fail the hair test. So in layman terms, if they make this true and the FMCSA makes the hair test a part of the clearinghouse, there are hundreds and thousands of truck drivers that they know that failed and they feel that shouldn't be on the road. And guess what these people do? When they fail a test with Schneider, they might go out there to Western Express or something like that. I'm just using a random company. And then they may hire them because there's no history or information that they've ever failed a hair test. You get what I'm trying to say? So here's the update. The minorities of the group, the independent truckers, the owner-operators, they are against this. They are fighting this. And that's where we are today with this. But the update with that is it sounds like the FMCSA is still really considering this. This could be really bad for trucking. There's a lot of truck drivers out there that failed hair tests that tried to apply for these big companies. And these big companies want to bust them all out. Mother truckers, comment down below. What are your thoughts?